Everyday Culture channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
Repair damaged skin, close large open pores, and remove dark spots, hyperpigmentation with potato. Hi friends, in this video I will share with you an effective remedy. It's how to make potato face mask. First, take one potato and peel the skin, then shredder it to make potato paste. Then take 1 tablespoon of potato paste. And 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it together very well. Apply the mask on your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And wash off with cold water. This mask is extremely beneficial to get rid of facial blemishes and the dark spots. If you have dry skin, potatoes will help you give that smooth skin feeling in minutes.
Thank you for watching.